Hi, friends. My name is Ben, and today we're heading into a magical forest. You know what we're going to do? Count to 10. But get ready! Amazing animals are waiting for us along the way. See that path over there? Let's go!
A duck swims by the river.
2.
A frog hops on the bank. 3. A hedgehog rustles in the leaves. 4. An owl flaps its wing, don't sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The forest is calling us to play. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll repeat together. Counting with Ben is fun. The numbers are hidden in the forest movie. 5. The bunny's ears are up.
6.
The fox is laughing his tail off. 7. The deer stands proudly.
8.
The mouse guards his mink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The forest is calling us to play. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play together.
Then
9.
the woodpecker goes
Knock, 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 knock.
10. Roll, beaver's tail goes, I'm here, buddy.
With Ben, we learn, we sing 1 to 10. We know it all. Finals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The forest calls us to play. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ben can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The forest is calling us to play. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ben can count.
We counted all the way to 10 with the fox, beaver, and our forest friends. Which animal was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And get ready. Our next adventure is coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.